We hired a tree service to cut down the trees and remove the debris from Hurricane Ian. Actually, we didn't have them remove any. I had them make a pile here in the background. You can see it's about 100 yards away, 100 meters away from where I'm standing. They put most of the down pine trees right there, piled them up about 4 or 5 deep and about 4 or 5 high, roughly. That is going to be a special project, which I'm going to make a separate video about. And we had a miscommunication with the tree service. I asked them to let it lay. What I meant was cut it from the stump so that it's on the ground and let it lay. And of course, when I did the final walkthrough, I was not paying attention as well as I should have. You can see they didn't touch that over there very much. Got a nice wide path here now. There's a natural berm right behind it. So we've got a berm and a big pile of logs. You can probably guess what I'm going to do with that. But like I said, I'll make another video about that later. They did have to do some damage over here. And right over here, unfortunately, there were 2 pine trees and they kind of destroyed my apple banana pit. But we still have one. It'll grow back. They did some damage over here. There was a pretty big wild blackberry stand right here. That's mostly gone. I do see some of them still there. And they trampled over some of the hibiscus plants radiatus. Cutting this pine tree away. You can see where it was laying here. They did a good job. Got this star fruit right here. It's untouched by them. Papaya plants are untouched, even though I didn't really care about that. And here's what I was calling my banana jungle. It's a new area of the food forest. Got the pineapple trees, pineapple plants that I dug up. I put them back in here. Quite a few banana plants that are destroyed, but it'll come back. This whole area was kind of a jungle before. I'm kind of happy that they had to destroy a lot of the vegetation that was here. It really opens up this area so that I can expand the food forest in here. Over here, they fortunately did destroy a few banana plants, but like I said, I'll live with that. I opened this up a little bit. I'll probably make this a path. Be a path large enough for a service type vehicle machinery to get around the food forest in case something like this happens again. They did a little destruction over here. Has some raspberries right in this area. Subscribe and click the notification bell to follow along as we restore our food forest. They did a good job, except for that one pine tree that we had a miscommunication on. Overall, I'm very happy. Got some areas I can expand on. That's it.